Hello, children. You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gatawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your English teacher. This video is for class 8th. Subject is English, lesson number 6. And lesson name is How Mowgli Joined the Pack, part 1. Before we start the lesson, let me know, have you ever heard of Mowgli? I believe many of you are well known of this word and this character. है ना? Yes, you have watched a serial which is based on it, Mowgli, and you used to sing Jungle Jungle Baat Chali Hai Pata Chala Hai. And one picture also was made, Jungle Book. It was a 3D movie, and I believe many of you have seen it. How many of you? Jungle Book. So this is a story of a boy when he was an infant and he remained all alone in a forest. जंगल में रह गया वो एक बच्चा. So are you scaring? डर रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, think it over. If suppose it happens, then by mistake, unfortunately, you remain all alone in a forest among the wild animals, what will happen? So you might be feeling a sensation of fear. But this boy who remained Mowgli among the wild animals, and he was a very little boy, he was a kid when he was brought up by wolves, and he became a part of the wolf pack. Pack means group, jhund. So we start this story now. You see, a couple of wolves lived with their 4 cubs in a cave in the Seoni hills. Couple of wolves and their 4 cubs, यानी कि children, है ना? Children of a wolf is called cubs. So they used to live in a cave, गुफा में रहते थे, where Seoni hills. One evening, Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. He yawned, stretched his paws to get rid of the sleepy feelings. So yawned means chamahi lena, ubasi ana. So what we do, we stretch our hand. So he stretched his paws so that he can come out of drowsy feelings, sleepy feelings. And he said to Mother Wolf, now it is the time to hunt again. मुझे शिकार पर जाना होगा. So what did she say? Mother Wolf, she said, good luck. or chief of wolves. Wind the mischievous and terrible jackal Tabaki, as he entered the cave. So she was complaining, or at the same time a jackal in a Siyar, and his name was Tabaki, he entered the cave. Tabaki then upset father and mother wolf by saying spitefully that Sher Khan, the tiger living near the Vainganga river, had shifted his hunting grounds to the hills. So when he came and reported to them with hatred that tiger Sher Khan now has shifted to Vainganga river for his hunting place. So Father Wolf got angrily and he said, by the law of jungle, Sher Khan has no right to change his quarters without due warning. He should not come without any warning. He will frighten every head of game within 10 miles. So when he comes, so there will be a fear among the small animals living nearby Vainganga river. And how it would be possible for me to kill for me and for my family? It will not be possible. So Mother Wolf said, Sher Khan has been lame. Lame means langda hai wo. In 1 foot from birth, bachpan se hi. That is why he has killed only cattle. वो केवल कैटल्स इन पालतू जानवरों को ही मारता है. The villagers of the Vainganga belt are very angry with him. So मतलब he does not kill, Sher Khan does not kill villagers, men. He kills only cattle, animals only. And therefore they are very angry, villagers. They will scour the jungle for him when he is far away. Scour means to search for someone. So many a times they come and search for him in jungle. And we will have to run to safety when the grass is set alight. Villagers will come and will set fire in the grass, and we will have to run away from here for our safety. Tabaki went away to join Sher Khan in the hunt. Tabaki चला गया शेर खान के पास. Father Wolf heard the dry, angry, snarly sing-song whine of a frustrated tiger and said, तो फादर वॉल्फ को एक आवाज़ सुनाई दी, गुस्से वाली, स्नार्ल इन गुर्राने वाली, सिंग सॉन्ग वाइन एक कंप्लेनिंग वॉइस, एक फ्रस्ट्रेटेड टाइगर की. तो उसने कहा, द फूल टू बिगिन अ नाइट्स वर्क विद दैट नॉइस. रात का जो शिकार होता है वो चुपचाप किया जाता है, इतनी तेज़ आवाज़ में नहीं किया जाता. कैसा मूर्ख है ये. Does he think our bucks are like his fat Vainganga bullocks? उसे ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ के जानवर वैनगंगा रिवर के जैसे ही हैं. Hush! It's neither bullock nor buck he hunts tonight, but man. आज वो ना बुलक को मारेगा ना बक्स को, आदमी को मारेगा. Said mother wolf as she heard Sher Khan's savage howl. Savage यानी जंगली, हॉल मतलब कि क्राई. तो शेर खान वहाँ से चिल्लाया. But the law of jungle forbade every beast to kill and eat man. जंगल का कानून रोकता है, फॉरबेड यानी रोकता है किसी भी जानवर को कि वो आदमी को ना मारे ना खाए. क्यों? मैन किलिंग लेड टू retaliatory hunting of wild animals and man eating made beasts mangy and toothless. So when an animal kills a man, so man also does something harmful because they harmed first. So man also becomes, matlab he shows his reaction. So when men are killed, so they also take an reaction. And man eating made beast mangy and toothless. Mangy means shabby in appearance, awkward. और उनके दांत गिर जाते हैं उसका मांस खाने से. टूथलेस. शेर खान वॉज हॉलिंग menacingly. Menacingly means creating a harm or danger. He was howling, गुर्रा रहा था वो, because he had burnt his feet by jumping at a woodcutter campfire. उसका पैर जल गया था एक जगह. And Tabaki was with him. Soon the buses rustled a little, and Father Wolf saw in front of him a naked brown baby who could just walk. So rustle means a sound like paper leaves, मतलब चरचराने की आवाज़, सरसराहट की आवाज़. बुशेस मतलब झाड़ियाँ, झाड़ियों में से एक आवाज़ आई और फादर वॉल्फ को अपने सामने एक नेकेड ब्राउन बेबी मिला जो थोड़ा सा चल सकता था. द बॉय लुक्ड अप इनटू द फादर वॉल्फ्स फेस एंड लाफ्ड. वो हंसने लगा. इज दैट अ मैन्स कब? सेड मदर वॉल्फ. क्या ये आदमी का बच्चा है? आई हैव नेवर सीन वन. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. ब्रिंग इट हियर. उसे यहाँ लेकर आओ. फादर वॉल्फ पुश्ड द लिटिल बेबी टुवर्ड्स द 4 cubs. तो ही ब्रॉट दैट लिटिल बेबी टू हिज 4 cubs and they were delighted to see him sitting fearlessly. Means he had no fear, the boy, with their cubs and sharing a meal with them. So he was eating with them. That little baby, man's baby, was eating with Wolf's children. At that very moment, Sher Khan entered the cave with Tabaki and demanded the little baby as his quarry. उसी समय पर क्या हुआ? शेर खान आया गुफा में तबाकी के साथ और उसने कहा कि ये छोटा बेबी मुझे दे दो. किसके लिए? क्वेरी. क्वेरी मीन्स एन एनिमल और अ पर्सन दैट इज बीइंग हंटेड और फॉलोड. शिकार करने के लिए, क्वेरी के लिए. The wolves are free people, said Father Wolf. They take orders from the head of pack and not from any striped cattle killer. तो उसने बोला फादर वॉल्फ ने कि नहीं, हम तुम्हारा ऑर्डर नहीं मान सकते. वी ओनली फॉलो द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ हेड ऑफ आवर पैक, जो हमारे ग्रुप का हेड है उसी की बात मानते हैं, कोई आउटसाइडर की बात नहीं मानते। द मेंस कब इज आवर्स टू किल इफ़ वी चूज़, ये जो आदमी का बच्चा है कब, ये हमारा है मारने के लिए, यदि हम सोचेंगे। इफ़ वी चूज़ टू किल देन इट्स आवर्स नॉट योर्स। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन्स whether Mowgli will be alive or he will be killed by wolves or by Shere Khan, we'll see it in next video. Till then, goodbye, thank you.